They call me Mr. Tibbs.
I don't know where I'm going, in troubled waters, but I'm floating. I've been down and out with my knees to the ground. I know things are gonna turn around.
I don't know where I'm going in troubled waters, but I'm floating. I've been down and out with my knees to the ground. I know things are gonna turn around.
Don't know where to go, all alone on this road. Refocus on goal. Life is one eye closed, feeling like a scroll. Nobody knows or even care about my life. Darkness inside, surrounded by these bright lights blinding me. Zooming too much is burning. I'm dripping tears on purpose. Loving people feel so worthless. Careful from caring just becomes problematic. Venting in my mind, got my heart beeping like horns in
I
traffic.
don't know where I'm going in troubled waters, but I'm floating. I've been down and out with my knees to the ground. I know things are gonna turn around. I don't know where I'm going in troubled waters, but I'm floating. I've been down and out with my knees to the ground. I know things are gonna turn around.
I've been lost with no place to go. There's one thing I know, and I call you my home. Be my beacon, Lord. Said I need you, Lord. I know one of these days I'll go to sleep and my soul you'll be keeping, Lord. So why do I worry? Why do I cry? Why do I feel the pain deep inside? Why can't I focus? Why am I losing? This heart is beating, but it's also bruising. So while I'm on my knees, just lift me up. I haven't given in, it's not enough. With every word and every phrase, I'm looking forward to
I
these better
don't
days.
know where I'm going in troubled waters, but I'm floating. I've been down and out with my knees to the ground. I know things are gonna turn around.
So while I'm on my knees, just lift me up. I haven't given in, it's not enough. With every look and every gaze, I'm looking for some brighter things.
They call me Mr. Tibbs.
I don't know where I'm going, in troubled waters, but I'm floating. I've been down and out with my knees to the ground.